still Clarence Bull was doing a lot of the work, and he was doing great work, but he still had to manage everything else, so he didn't have time to do everybody.
Um, how much influence did the studios have over like how their stars were being portrayed? Was it left completely to the photographers, or were there specific rules or guidelines that they had to follow? How much
Yes,
freedom
there
did they
were
have?
you're right, there were guidelines. Well, from a very simple thing like, the newspapers wanna use little inserts at the top of reviews for the latest movie of a star, and when they don't want light they don't I'm sorry, they don't want dark backgrounds. They want light backgrounds. Hurrell refused to shoot light backgrounds. Not every session. I mean, there's plenty of pictures by Hurrell with light background, but he would just get on a tear where he would just shoot everything dark to vex them. And, they want Clark Gable to be shot in kind of sporty, outdoorsy kind of poses, with a polo riding outfit and all this because he's kind of a lounge lizard in reality with an older wife. But we wanna make him the young women are mad for him, so we wanna show them, "Oh, here's this He-Man guy, he's really, out there," and I mean, he did enjoy shooting and all that kinda stuff and riding his motorcycle at 100 miles an hour, but he wasn't, out there playing polo with the British colony of Hollywood, but they portrayed him that way. So that yeah, there were plenty of, uh, plenty of ways in which Hurrell and Bull were told, we're trying to sell the image of this person as such, so you're not gonna they were not gonna, show certain actresses vampy, and they were not gonna show certain actors being spiritual ones. It just depended on the kind of character that they had portrayed in films and who they were supposed to be.
Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed that clip, then press here for the full episode in glorious Technicolor. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.